So I asked my wife the other day if she'd, mow this area of the yard. The silage is getting a little deep, and she did. But then the mower immediately was parked over here, and I was told it's making a weird noise, and it doesn't mow right. So we're gonna see what exactly happened. Ever wanted to remove the lawnmower deck off an LA series lawnmower? Here's how you do it. It's pretty easy. There's a pin right here. You pull that guy out. There's a pin right there. Yours might be different. This one's custom. Probably a washer on there. And on this side, there it is. A pin right here. This is the worst one. Got it. There's a washer. Where that went. Lift up on the deck. Use your foot. Pull off. That rotates. Pulls right out. Other side. The pin you had the bar on. Come on, shake it. Rotate this. That guy now. Pushes out. Now, we'll get the other side off. Same thing on the other side. Passenger side. Pin right here. So you can get this one out. Kill him with fingers. Got it. Washer. That'll pop off. Lift that with your foot. The same thing. Over here. There's a pin right up there. Pull it out. It's usually a washer. Now, if you've done this a bunch of times, this guy. Lift. And pull. Next on the ground. This guy. Pull off. Down. Forward, rotate, whatever. You should be able to pull this out. Done. Then your deck will just slide out. Whichever way you want. Oh, I forgot the belt. You do have to unloop the belt off the front. Not a big deal. Done. There, I can work on it. So I got you here for the big unveil. I'm told the mower stopped mowing correctly and was making a weird sound after they were mowing some tall grass. Let's see. Oh, well, there's the dog's leash. Maybe. Hope he wasn't attached. Let's cut that out of there. So, if you're gonna, always make sure you get a cable caught, because cable's the most forgiving thing on the planet. And again, make sure your pet's not attached while winding up the cable with the mower. Shit. Normally when you wind something up in the mower, you can just reach underneath through the discharge chute, make sure the mower's off, and just cut it with a knife and get it off here. When you wind a cable up, you're committing to something. This is a committed relationship. I don't know of any other way of doing this, just short of a grinder, other than pulling the blades. There you go. By the way, these washers that come off have a direction to them. They're caved, cupped down, cupped towards the mower. I don't know if I'll get this off. Oh, there we go. I don't know if you can see all this. Let's get this other one off first. Maybe. No way, no way, no way. Okay. good time to inspect the blades. They're fine to me. I like these, by the way. Amazon, I think. Mulcher, grass side. Okay. I honestly can't be too hard on the person who did this, because years ago in my youth I wrapped a log chain up in one of these. Yeah, Dad's like, hey, just come over on that. Oh, okay. And I did. Log chain. This one's kind of reverse it. There we go. Not bad if you just take the bolts off. I'd have been at this for, well, it never would have came off. Let's put these back on. Inspect everything. Looks good. Sometimes these have a grease dirt. These don't. But sometimes. So, a couple weeks ago, I was in here replacing this here steering gear, right? And then as the mower drove off, I found this on the ground. Now, this is the plastic bushing which goes up in there. And I said to myself, should I go get the mower and put that in? And I went, nope, it'll be back. Here we are. I was also told after fixing this that the reason I was fixing it was the steering was all over. And after I replaced this steering gear, I was told that I didn't line the steering wheel up. Which I don't know made a difference when it was just twirling anyways. So where's this bushing go? Right here. Fits up in the slot. And actually you can, jiggle the steering wheel together if you have to. And this is a spline. There's a gear to put that back on. Make sure steering's half-ass lined up. Nope, 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 yep. Nope. Nope, yep, close enough. And then that fell out. There. Take that, put it on there. Tuck her up. Steering's fixed. And I installed the bushing. Alright, let's get the mower deck on in reverse order. Again, if you lose your pen, make one out of a coat hanger. I did. This guy, click. That's it. 5 clips, 1 belt. A little dirty. That's all it takes, actually. Pulling these decks off, do whatever you got to do. Maybe your lawnmower person ran over a dog lead made of cable that's 40 feet long. That's yellow in high contrast to green grass and wound it around the blades. And you have to cut it out, hypothetically. It's real easy to get to. It's just, you get dirty in the process. So I think this wraps it up for this one. Thanks for watching. See you on the next project. Don't forget to like and subscribe.